Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to use the Vlookup with this multiplication sign, the star sign. Okay, let's go to the formula. Equal Vlookup, open parenthesis, and then the lookup value I am selecting the team leader name, the Brad, the cell alone, Brad. Okay, and then ampersand, within double quotation I am going to enter the multiplication sign. See here again double quotation is closed. So what it will do, the Vlookup, it will select, it will search for the only the first name with Brad, last name whatever it is, it will pick. Only it will check the Brad. If anything is matching, it will pick that one. Okay. Now comma table array. Table array, it is selecting the full table. Okay, this is the table. It is looking for the first name Brad, and then the comma and the column index number. Column index number is we need now the sales 2021, correct, which is in the third column. See, third column we have sales 2021 in the table array. So we have to give now the column index number as 3. Okay, 3 and then comma, after that give 0 for the exact match. Okay, and then close parenthesis and enter. See here we have received the output as 9999, which is the sales 2021 for Brad Pitt. This formula, Vlookup formula, is searched only for the first name with the Brad, and then last name whatever it is, it has considered as that as a lookup value, and then it has given the result as sales 2021. Okay, this is how you have to use the Vlookup with this symbol. Thank you so much for watching this video.